Hi guys, so today I'm gonna teach you guys how I made this picture and edit it into this picture. Coming up. So the whole trick behind this edit is to show you guys how I made this girl be in front of the Instagram template to show this type of like, okay, she's coming off the picture trick to the eye, alright? So it's a very simple trick and I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that right now. I use this raw photo, not raw, okay, I already edited this photo, so I edited and it's done. So this is the photo I use to create this photo. And yeah, okay, so basically how I'm just gonna teach you guys how I made her be in front of this template which I have made, alright? So anyway, I'm gonna erase that all because I need to show you guys what I did. So this is the self-made template which I made. So how I made this template is basically it's simple. You just have to post just create a new post and the caption is just the caption which you want it to be captioned in. For me, is of course the only way in life for me is up because the idea is she's holding a balloon and yeah. So yeah, as much as cheesy as it sounds. So anyway, so you can't just once you get the Instagram template, right, you can't just put it like put it over this picture, of course, because it will just like block off the whole picture, right? And it won't be showing. You just want to show the Instagram template above and below, right? So how do I get rid of this black thing in the middle? That's easy. So you just select and mask. So you just select the part which you want it to only have. So selecting is just W. You click W and you just click the areas which you just want it to appear at. Click properly. Click at all the areas. Then after that, you just click this icon right here, and boom, voila, magic. The thing in the middle is gone. So meaning, when I move this over now, the whole thing in the middle disappears, so I can frame the girl with this Instagram template. Alright. So the next step is, so how do I make her legs? Sorry, let me just okay. So how do I make her legs be in front of this Instagram template? That's the trick which I'm going to teach you guys right now. Okay. So make it disappear for a while. So basically the idea is the same thing. You just this is the trick. So you just W for select and you just select her leg area around there. Just select her leg area. Okay. Then after you select that leg area, click the same icon again previously which I asked you to click. Sorry, excuse me. Let me just have my tea for a while. Okay, so you select. Oh, okay. Okay, good. I made this mistake. Okay, I forgot to mention to you guys. Okay, let me just Command Z. Make sure to create a copy layer. So basically, you Option, click, and drag it up to create a copy layer. Then after that, then you click the this add layer mask icon. Alright. Or else it will happen like just now. Okay. If I don't, okay, let's just pretend. So it will happen like what happened just now. We'll just have this. If you don't do the copy, put a layer mask copy. Alright. So is remember to put a copy layer above. Then you do the add layer mask. Alright. After that is done, okay, magic will happen. So basically, voila, her legs are in front of the Instagram template. And yeah, technically that's the, hold on. Let me just brush off her hand. Wait, let me just. Okay. Quick one. Show that she's in front of the Yeah, so just like that. So technically, yeah, that's the trick to how I make her legs be in front of the Instagram icon. So basically, this is a very simple trick which you can use for many other projects and edits which you want to do in the future. And I've used this trick for lots of my other edits. Like I'll just show you guys some example like these ones. Alright, so those are some of the edits which I have used for with the exact trick, same trick on. So yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna show you guys a full run of how I edited this. Actually, it's very simple. I just changed the hue and saturation, that's all, and just And if you want to see the full demonstration of how I did it, it's in my Instagram. I did an Instagram TV of a speed edit on how I did it. But yeah, I just want to show you guys just a quick tutorial on how you can make anything be in front of something which you want it to be in front of. I guess that's what you can call it. So anyway, thank you guys for watching today's video. Please subscribe if you haven't, like if you have learned something, and yeah, have fun with photography. See you guys in the next video. Bye.